And we're getting some breaking news from the state of Maharashtra. Crackdown on Maratha quota stir. Mumbai cops notice two quota agitators. Heat on Manoj Jarange Patil for law breach. Mumbai cops revoke nod for Maratha quota stir. The charge is that the guidelines by the court and the cops were violated. And the Mumbai cops have said that and have in fact asked Manoj Jarange Patil to vacate Azad Maidan at the earliest. So that's the latest that's coming in as far as the Maratha quota stir in Mumbai is concerned. The Mumbai cops have served notice to the quota agitators and there's heat on Manoj Jarange Patil for law breach. Now the Mumbai cops have revoked the nod for Maratha quota stir. My colleague Mustafa is now joining us with more details on this. Mustafa, tell us more about which were the rules that were violated by Manoj Jarange Patil while protesting for Maratha quota.
Well, yes, I'll list out the reasons to you, but we are at CSTM where this Maratha protest is going out, and you will see that after the High Court order, the roads are now being evacuated by the protesters. So we are showing you the reserve force standing on both sides, the police standing on both sides of the roads, so that the traffic movement for 3 to 4 days, which was not happening outside CSTM, is seen happening. So this is the reserve force and police making sure that people don't cross the roads and the traffic in Mumbai can start because it's a working day. And you'll see as we are panning out that CSTM station from where the Mumbaikars who are getting out for their jobs, they are going towards their offices. You can see these visuals right outside the CSTM and where this thing is happening right across. Now you can say that Mahapalika Marg is where the protesters have parked their trucks. This road movement, you will see that there is no movement happening on this Mahapalika Marg. This is the road now which leads just this, the blue shed you can see is the Azad Maidan where currently Manoj Jarange Patil is sitting for the protest. The High Court said that specifically the permission which was given was for no more than 5,000 people. It was given by Mumbai Police for one day from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. But since Friday, for last 4 days, this protest has been going on. There were many hundreds of people, thousands of people who were spread out across Mumbai, Girgaon Chowpatty, Marine Drive, Juhu, going to hotels, going to art galleries, and there were disruptions in the normal movement of Mumbai. So that has to stop. So the compliance is at this afternoon. The police has to submit a report that all these trucks which are blocking roads in Mumbai, affecting the normal lives in Mumbai, have to go. Now it was said by the court that not more than 5,000 protesters in the Azad Maidan. But what we are hearing is that Mumbai police has given notice to Jarange Patil. His permission for protest has been denied. He has been asked to move out. So clearly there is, you can say that one movement on the roads, but the Mumbai police is now moving towards vacating the entire city for this protest. We'll have to wait and see how it unfolds. But the current situation outside CST station near Azad Maidan, we have showed you on one side, the police has been able to start the roads. On the other side, the trucks are still parked and they are waiting it to be evacuated back to you.
Right, Mustafa, also after the cops served notice to the core committee of Manoj Jarange Patil, how has the committee or Manoj Jarange Patil reacted to it?
Well, now it's clear that they don't have much legal recourse and they'll have to abide by the court orders. They are still discussing the issue. As of now, they have not made any announcements, but for last few days, Manoj Jarange Patil has been very stern on his demand that he will not move till the time the Marathas from the Marathwada region of Maharashtra are given the reservation under the OBC. So that is something which the government is saying is not possible. And as of now, there has been no middle ground or path from within the protesters and the government. No minister from the Fadnavis government has come here to speak with the protesters. So clearly the reasoning and the discussions are not happening. The court has taken a strict view. The police has said that it has to be evacuated. So rightly there are some disruptions expected later in the day if you go by what's happening as of now. So the Maratha leaders have not come out with an official statement, but they have also not said that they will be evacuating or leaving Mumbai. So these many people you can see on the roads of Mumbai. What happens next is something we'll have to wait and watch for. Back to you.
All right, Mustafa, thank you for getting us all those details right from the ground. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on this.